2019 marks the milestone of 400 years since Africans were brought to North America as slaves. Get ready now for our long-awaited Motherland Homecoming in 2019. How? By registering to attend a New Era of Restoration seminar called Exodus 2019. How will you benefit by early registration? Meet other interested seminar attendees and join the interactive discussions about the 2019 Homecoming, Restoration Center, the Wall of Return, and how you can participate in upcoming events leading up to the year 2019. The seminar will be hosted by Diversity Restoration Solutions, a unique and timely cultural diversity and project development company. Diversity Restoration Solutions is leading the way to organize and prepare families, community groups, and businesses to take part in a 21st century exodus entitled the 2019 Motherland Homecoming Project. Our official 2019 Homecoming fine art print, the Door of No Return, The Return, and the Exodus Restore card to receive discounts on selected promotional items and events are available for purchase now. For more information on the Exodus 2019 seminar and the 2019 Motherland Homecoming Project, email us at info@diversityrestoration.com or call 757-967-0062. Don't delay, start planning now for Exodus 2019. For more information on the Exodus 2019 seminar and the 2019 Motherland Homecoming Project, email us at info@diversityrestoration.com or call 757-967-0062. Don't delay, start planning now for Exodus 2019.